Hello, this is Derek. Welcome to another video of Southwest Ireland Rainforest project. Today I want to talk about the twin phoenix canary palm. The twin phoenix, also known as the twin Canary Island date palm, is typically grown in Mediterranean climates and also subtropical climates like eastern Australia and the southeastern United States. As long as temperatures do not fall below -10 degrees for long periods, it should be fine. The palm is easily recognized through its unique trunk characteristics and its crown of leaves. An interesting note on this palm is that it is susceptible to Fusarium wilt, and spread of the disease can be reduced by ensuring pruning tools are disinfected before being used on this palm. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.